Hello everyone. Now we will do maths, and in maths we are doing chapter number 6, more division, and for this we had learned about short division and long division, and now we will learn about some more about division. Here we will see dividing two digit numbers, and the quotient will be 2 digit. Now how it will be possible, how can we do it? Let's see about it. So far we have had only 1 digit quotients. We can also get 2 digit quotients while dividing. पहले हमने 1 digit क्वेश्चन के सम्स किए थे. अब हम देखेंगे कि जिसमें 2 digit क्वेश्चन डिवीजन का आंसर आएगा. So now here is an example. 46 grandparents have come to school on Grandparents' Day to learn about computers from the students. If they are put in groups of 2, how many groups of grandparents will be there? 46 grandparents स्कूल में आते हैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे के सेलिब्रेशन के लिए, सॉरी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे के लिए, कि जिसमें वो बच्चों से कंप्यूटर सीखते हैं. तो उसमें ये जो 46 ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है उनको 2 ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया गया है. तो अगर इनको 2-2 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया गया है तो वहां पर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के कितने ग्रुप्स होंगे? 46 में से 2-2 के हम कितने ग्रुप्स बना सकते हैं? तो उसके लिए हमें करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 46 divided by 2, that you have to write like this. Now decide where the first digit in quotient will be. अब हमें ये डिसाइड करना है कि सबसे पहले हमें डिवीजन करने में कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. Usually we are doing like this कि 2 multiply by whatever the number are given and we are dividing that much only. But here we have to see that first number, that is 4. Only 4 can also divide by 2. 4 को भी हम 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. देर आर इनफ टेंस, मीन्स 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 2, so we start writing quotient on the tens. तो अभी हम पहले यहाँ पर टेंस से क्वोशंट लिखना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. तो सेकेंड स्टेप है, तो उसमें हमें करना है 2 2 जा 4, because we will take only one number, that is tens number 4. So we can write like this, 2 2 जा 4. Now afterward we will do 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Here we had done the calculation on only 4. Now we will see the calculation of 6. Then how will we do? Here we had done 2 2 जा 4. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. After that we will take the ones number 6, and 0 के बाद में अब यहाँ पर हमें 6 लेना है. 6 नंबर जो 46 में जो 6 नंबर था, जो वंस प्लेस पे जो नंबर था, उसको हम नीचे लेंगे. So if we had written the 6, so you know the table of 2. So, now you have to write 2 3 जा 6. So here again 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So remainder is 0 and quotient is 23. 2 digit number quotient is there. So whatever the steps we had followed here at the tens place, like this we have to follow the steps for ones place. So like this you can do the calculation for 2 digit numbers. Now and then afterward we have to write there will be 23 groups of grandparents. Okay. Now if we want to check the division, how can we check? That also we had done about this, how we have to check the division. So for that we will do 23, the quotient, multiply by 2, that is divisor, and whatever the answer comes after the multiplication, means what is the product is there, there will be the number that we had divided by divisor. So, and if that both the number will same, your answer will be correct. Okay, now let us try some same sum using another method. अब हम दूसरी मेथड से ये डिवीजन देखते हैं कि हम दूसरी मेथड से कैसे कर सकते हैं. And here divide, try this is given here, that you can do by yourself, so you have to do it by yourself. Now here 46 divided by 2 means there are 20 2's in 46, because 20 multiplied by 2 is equals to 40. So here it is given 20s in 46. ये जो 46 है means this is the place for 10. So here we can write 20. So 2 2 जा 4 and मतलब 2 to 20 है यहाँ पे, तो 20 2 जा 40. So here we will write here 40 and the remainder is 6. Again we can do plus 2 3 जा 6. So remainder will be 0. Like this also you can do, but if you find the first method easy for you, then you can go ahead with the method 1, and this is also the second method. With the help of this second method also you can find the uh, answer for this division with 2-digit numbers. Okay, now we will go to the next page. Now in the next example you will have a remainder in tens place. अब हम जो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे उसमें रिमाइंडर टेंस प्लेस पे होगा. नाउ व्हाट इज इट दैट वी विल सी. 72 divided by 2. Now we will see the first method, that is 72 divided by 2. Here we will start from the tens place and we will calculate with 7. So in the table of 2, if there is 7, answer is there? No, but below 7 number we have to see. So for that we will write 2 3 are 6. So here the remainder will be 1. After writing 1, we will carry number this 2 with 1. So the total number will be 12. Now here we have to see in the table of 2 when will come the number 12. So that is 2 6 are 12 and 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. The remainder will be 0. Quotient is equals to 36 and remainder is 0. This is the first method. The second method, that is also there. 30 divided by 2, sorry, 30 multiplied by 2 is equals to 60, and afterward 72 minus 60, so 12 will be the answer after subtraction. Then we have to write here 10, because 2 5s are 10 and again 2 is left, then again we have to write 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 30 plus 5 plus 1. So total quotient number is 36. Like this you can do the second method also, but I think method 1 is very easier for all of you. You can do it very easily. Okay, and now after doing this we have to check the answer whether it is correct or not. Quotient is 36, multiplied by 2 means the divisor number, so the no remainder is there, is equals to 72. So 72 plus 0 is equals to 72 dividend. So your division is correct. So like this you have to do the two-digit quotient calculation, and now we will see two-digit quotient with a remainder. Here we had seen the example, there is no remainder, but in this we have to see the remainder. First method, and I think all of you have to go with the first method. It is easy for all of you to understand. So we will see only first method. Here it is written 85 divided by 6. Now here 85 divided by 6 you have to write like this. We will start from the tens place. First of all 8 is there, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 10. So 10 is bigger than 8. So first of all we will write 6 ones are 6. Here 2 remaining, and we will take the 5 with 2. So 25 is the number, and in the table of 6 we have to write 6 fours are 24. So 25 minus 24, remainder will be 1. So quotient is 14, remainder is 1. And after this we have to check 14, what is that is quotient, multiply by divisor, plus 1 remainder is equals to 84, plus 1 is equals to 85, that is dividend, means your division sum is correct. So I hope all of you understood this, and I advise you that you just stick to the one method only. आपको जो method समझ में आता है आप वही कीजिए, और मेरे अंदाज से तो आपको method 1 है वो ज़्यादा easy रहेगा, तो you can do the division with this method very easily. And now here try this, that is given two sums are given here for the division. You can do it, you can try it by yourself, and afterwards we will go to the next page. Now here exercise is given, use any method to divide. यहाँ पर आप कोई भी मेथड यूज करके ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं, ये डिवीजन कर सकते हैं। तो आपको जो भी मेथड सूट होता है, आपको जो भी मेथड समझ में आता है, वो मेथड से आप ये डिवीजन कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर ये जो 4 सम है ABCD, that you have to do in the textbook only, but rest of the sums that you have to do in the notebook. So these exercise also you have to do in your notebook, that is your homework for today. So today you have to complete exercise 6B, and I hope all of you understood this. And if you have any doubt you can ask me, but try to do it by yourself, and I will send the answer for this PDF, for this exercise also in PDF, so you can check your answer with the PDF. But firstly you just try to do this sum by yourself. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.